This video will explain how to select your courses in the Sapphire portal. First, you should watch the scheduling video for your grade level as well as this video. Make sure you know your Sapphire login, username, password, and PIN. Log on to your community portal account. Remember to choose your courses wisely. You may refer to your grad progress report or your transcript, which are both in your portal, to see what courses you still need to take to meet graduation requirements. The next slide is a reminder of those requirements. You may also consult your educational career plan to help you choose. Once again, the graduation requirements include 4 credits of English, which is 1 course per year, 4 credits in the social studies area, which is 1 course per year, 4 math credits, 3 science courses, 1 fine art credit, which is any art or music course, 1 practical art credit, which is any family consumer science or tech ed course, 1 business or career credit, 1 total health credit, which is half a credit in grade 9 and half in grade 11, half a credit of safety ed first aid, which you take in 10th grade, personal finance, half a credit, which you take in 12th grade, and then phys ed, a total of 2 credits, taking phys ed every single year. To begin, you first should click Fill Out Course Request Form at the top of the screen. You may select your courses by clicking in the box to the left of the course name. If you make a mistake, simply just deselect the box and choose the course that you wish to select. You may move your cursor over the blue question mark, which will open up a course description for you. We strongly recommend that you read all course descriptions before you select a course. All students must select 1 course from each required area. So here are the required courses: English, social studies, science, and math. If a teacher has recommended a course for a student, you will see that course listed in green. So here, for example, this student's teacher has recommended that he take English 10 Lit next year. In the math department, this teacher recommended that he take Pre-Calc next year. Any course that you see in pink is a course that is not available to you. Should you wish or need to select one of these courses, please discuss this with your counselor during your scheduling appointment. Once again, courses highlighted in green have been recommended for you by your current teacher. Notice at the top of the scheduling page, there's a running total of credits for you. Currently, this student has selected 8 credits. Mandatory courses, such as phys ed, for the most part, have been pre-selected for you. All students, please note, must select 2 alternate courses. And to select an alternate course, you simply click in the box under the alternate column on the right-hand side. Also, please note, the elective courses are down below in the form of the art department, business department, family consumer science, music, tech ed, and world language. Once you have selected 8 credits and alternate courses, you want to click Save Course Requests. So in this case, the student has 8 credits. The student has also selected 2 alternate courses, Power Tech and Drawing and Painting 1. You may use the arrows to sort your preferences to order them for which order you would like your alternate courses. So in this case, this student might choose to move Drawing and Painting to the top, and what that would mean is when the scheduler runs, the student needs an alternate, the computer will look to schedule Drawing and Painting before Power Tech. Once you've ordered your alternates, then you click Save Course Requests, which will generate for you a PDF. So you will open that, making sure that you have courses in all of the mandatory and required areas, as well as 2 alternate electives. You should save this to your drive and also print one copy to obtain your parent or guardian signature. Return one signed copy to your Period 1 or advisory teacher or the counseling office. Over the next few months, your counselor will meet with you to review your selections. If necessary, adjustments can be made at that time.